In this video, we are going to learn about how to install our Whitefly server. For that, first we have to download our Whitefly server from this our official website. Note to download only zip file. So I already have downloaded the zip file and we have to extract that zip file in our C drive. So I already have instructed this, and while we open we have to go inside this bin folder. In here we are going to see this add user batch file. So we are going to open to add a user. Note, while it's opening, let me show you something. We also have to set our Java home and path. We have to set our Java home and path till JDK 1.8 bin folder and Java home only to Java 1.8 folder. Okay, so I have set our Java home and path. Okay, then note, in here we are going to add management user. So I am going to select A, as we are going to only select manager user because by default Whitefly server will start management user domain. So I am giving its name as shift. Password, we have to give password of at least 8 character, 1 alphabetic character and 1 digit and 1 non-alphanumeric symbol. So I am giving shift @123, again password shift @123, enter. So what group do you want to wear along this? Please enter a comma separator at least or leave blank. I am leaving blank. Add user shift for management realm, yes, yes. Now controller connect to master or for server connection. For server Jakarta Enterprise being, let me select yes. Please select A2. So our user is added. We have to configure our port. In this standalone folder we have a folder configuration. In there you are going to see a standalone file, that is XML file. Let us edit, and we are going to find a port 8080. Let's change this port to our some number. I am changing it into 5457. Now our Whitefly will listen to this default port which we have changed. Control S, close. We changed our port because if you have Oracle database, then by default Oracle will listen to 8080 port. Now let us open our bin folder and start our server. In there you are going to see a standalone batch file. Now double click on this. Here look, our default Java property is this. Now it will start. You finally will starting. Let us find inside this if we have our port started or not. 5457, yes. HTTP listener default listening is on this. Now let us just simply copy and open our browser, paste, or you can write localhost : and this port number. Now our Whitefly server is started, as you can see. Let us open our administration console. Look, it is now asking for our username and password. I gave username as Shiv and password 23. Sign in. Here. Now our console is open. We can deploy any application in here. Start. You can use drag and drop to add new content. Okay. We can upload deployment here. So by this our server is started. Good.